Здравствуйте, друзья. Do you know what that means? It means welcome, friends. Welcome to my Russian language learning series. This is the seventh lesson of the series. Today we will learn how to ask and answer how are you in Russian language. The question for how are you is Как дела? Как дела? So if you want to ask someone how they are, you ask Как дела? Как дела is how are you? So let us start with the answers now. Repeat the words after me. So let us first start with some common base answers or just one word answers to the question Как дела? Repeat the words after me. The first word that we have is Хорошо. Хорошо. Хорошо means good. If somebody asks you how are you and you want to say good, you say Хорошо. Как дела? Хорошо. As you can see in this word we have three O's. Only the last O is stressed. The first two O's are unstressed. This is why they are read as A and not O. So this entire word is read as Хорошо. Хорошо. Хорошо means good. Как дела? Хорошо. Next we have Нормально. Нормально. Нормально means okay, normal, I'm fine. I'm not that good, but I'm normal. So Нормально. In this word also, only the last O is stressed and the first O is unstressed. This is why it is read as Нормально. If somebody asks you Как дела, you say Нормально. Next we have Плохо. Плохо. Плохо means bad, not good. If you're not doing very good, if you are just tired, you want to say Плохо. If somebody asks you Как дела, you say Плохо. In this word, the first O is stressed and the last O is unstressed. This is why it is read as Плохо. Next we have Отлично. Отлично. Отлично means excellent. I am doing great. Отлично. If somebody asks you Как дела, you say Отлично. In this word, both the O's are unstressed and the E is stressed. So this word is read as Отлично. Отлично. So let us repeat these four words again. Repeat the words after me. Хорошо. Нормально. Плохо. Отлично. So let us now practice some extended answers. You wouldn't want to answer the question in just one word, would you? So let us now practice some extended answers. The first one that we have is Хорошо, спасибо. If somebody asks you how are you and you want to say I'm good, thank you, you say Хорошо, спасибо. Спасибо means thank you. Thanks for asking. Хорошо, спасибо. Next we have Нормально. У тебя? If you're okay and you want to ask the other person how he is, it's just a casual follow-up. You say у тебя? That means and you. If somebody asks you how are you and you want to say okay and you, it's like Нормально. У тебя? Нормально. У тебя? Next we have Плохо. Устал. If somebody asks you how you are and you are just tired and you want to give a reason that okay, I'm tired, I'm not feeling that great, you say Плохо. Устал. Устал means I'm tired. Устал. Как дела? Плохо. Устал. That means I'm not that great, I'm not that good, I'm tired. Плохо. Устал. Next is Отлично. Настроение супер. Repeat after me. Отлично. Настроение супер. It means I'm excellent, I'm in a great mood. Отлично. Настроение супер. If somebody asks you Как дела, you say Отлично. Настроение супер. I have a great mood. Настроение супер means mood is great. I'm in a great mood. So let us again practice these four extended answers. Just repeat the words after me. Хорошо, спасибо. Нормально. У тебя? Плохо. Устал? Отлично. Настроение супер. So let us now practice an example dialogue between two people A and B. A starts by asking B, Привет, как дела? Hello, how are you? So since A is using Привет, that indicates that B is either his friend or a family member. It's an informal conversation. Привет, как дела? B is like, Хорошо, спасибо. У тебя? B says, I'm good, thanks for asking. And you? Then A replies, Отлично, настроение супер. He's like, I'm excellent, I'm in a great mood. Okay, so I have a challenge for you today. Write in the comments answer to the question Kak dila. Just write how you're feeling, whether you're feeling good, excellent, not so good. Just write in Russian language, okay? And thanks for watching this video. In the next lesson, we learn how to tell our names and ask someone else their name in Russian language. That's the first step of introduction, right? Telling your name. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Spasiba. До свидания.